Tom here at Sharpening Supplies, and before I even began work here, I got myself a Tormek T8 with the hand tool kit. I got it originally for my wood shop where I've got a lot of whittling knives, axes, draw knives, things like that, and I thought it was going to be really useful just for that. Turns out, sharpens a whole lot more, and we're going to go through what these jigs can do. As you probably already know, the jigs are the heart of the Tormek system. You can freehand on a Tormek, but the jigs make it really easy to get quick and repeatable sharpening results. Let's have a look at the first jig. We've got the KJ45 knife jig. So the KJ45 will fit knives that are at least 2 3/8 inches long and 1/2 inch tall. I've sharpened a lot of my kitchen knives using this jig, something I didn't think I would be doing when I bought this for my workshop. If you want to sharpen smaller knives, then the SVM-150 will clamp around the handle, and then this small knife jig will fit in the KJ45, allowing you to sharpen knives that are really small. So long as the handle clamps in, you're good to go. If you've got knives that have a long and flexible blade, like this fillet knife, then the KJ140 is great for that. It will support the length of the knife so it won't flex while you're sharpening it. The SVX-150 Scissors Jig was one that honestly I didn't expect I'd be using that much. I got into the really bad habit of just replacing scissors when they got blunt. Actually, I didn't actually replace them. I just bought new scissors and kept the old blunt ones around. However, once I got the hand tool kit, I've now been able to sharpen all my scissors and they all work great. The SVS-38 short tool jig is really good for short chisels, gouges, and some power carving tools. It allows you to turn the tool while you're sharpening them. I've sharpened lino cutting tools on this and it's worked really well. Finally, there's the SVA-170 Axe Jig. This is actually the jig that I use the most. I'm a little bit of an outlier. I've got about 12 axes that I use on a fairly regular basis. So being able to quickly sharpen them using this jig on the Tormek T8 makes life a lot easier for me. I've come across a lot of axes that wouldn't even cut butter particularly well, and this little jig makes, pretty much shaving sharp axes a reality for you. Which of those jigs is your favorite, or which one would you most like to own? Let us know in the comments below. The hand tool kit also comes in this nice carry case, along with a nice little storage insert that will keep all of the jigs tidy and easy to access. If you're interested in getting the hand tool kit for your Tormek, then you can click on the link below. If you want to get a T8 and buy the hand tool kit with it, I'll provide a link to a bundle where you can save a little bit of extra money. If you enjoy videos about sharpening products, techniques, and more, please subscribe. And if you like this video, consider giving us a thumbs up.